Hey everybody, thank you for joining me on my channel. Today we're going to review MIC. It's something that's been requested, and so today let's talk about it and let me tell you what I like and what I don't like. And I don't even, off the top of my head right now, I'm not sure if there's really anything I don't like. So let me tell you first off, I joined them for about 2 months and I enjoyed it very well. The only reason I'm not part of them is because I wanted to be my own trader and I wanted to be on my own and make sure I was successful on my own after I kind of learned from some of the others. What I will say is the chat room is completely different than any other chat room that I've ever been a part of. How, you might ask? It's bizarre, and let me tell you how. There's plenty of good traders in there that are successful, that are consistent, and they will chat with you one-on-one. And I know you're like, oh, one-on-one, it doesn't really happen. It does happen. It's crazy because like I remember the first time I joined them, I actually had maybe 3 or 4 one-on-one calls, actual audio calls with different moderators who are successfully trading full-time. And each of those calls helped me grow from further and further towards consistency. I can tell you, shout out to T. Bradley, who's a part of the chat and a moderator. He's very well known on there. Good trader. Thank you so much, man. I've been consistent since I've had a talk with him, and he just was blunt with me and told me, why the hell are you long and you should only short? He'll remember that. But anyway, that right there alone is gold. So if you're thinking about investing with them, I'm not going to hold anything back. They're probably the best I've ever experienced. Now, that being said, the reason they're the best is because they actually care about each member. They actually do scheduled calls. And it's just crazy. It's mind-blowing because I was part of, the other subscriptions like Tim Sykes, and that itself was not, that's a night and day difference, right? They do webinars over there because it's part of the challenge. But MIC, they do, on the weekends, they'll do what they call is like a weekend review or weekend questions, and you can ask questions and they actually answer every question. And then they save all of those questions and then make it a PDF that you can keep. Who does that? They do. And that right there is in and of itself amazing. That being said, they have great role models. They have swing traders, long traders, short sellers. And I related the most with T. Bradley, Alex, and there was another one. And now he's don't hate me for this, but the Hawaiian trader, Aloha trader, badass trader. He's the long trader, but he helped me dramatically with growing in size. And how they helped me was with one-on-one calls. That right there in itself is amazing. Like, I didn't call them to help me with a strategy per se, just help me with my mindset. And that was huge. Like, how you get to find out how each trader thinks, their philosophies, and you never know. Sometimes one trader might say it a certain way that really helps you. And they helped me a ton. I can't thank you guys enough. That being said, another great thing, and I know it's just great things, is they have tons of videos. And when they make the videos, you don't have to pay for each video or each DVD, right? It's all of it is included. So every time there's a new DVD, an hour video, whatever it is included with your membership. And they respond to you, they answer your questions, they don't ignore you. You don't feel like you're just lost in a herd of sheep. You don't feel that way. Now, the other thing is they show you different ways to trade, and they actually share with you charts of their trade, their entry and their exit. And then they explain why they did it. That right there is huge, especially if you want to be a successful trader on your own. They don't just tell you, hey, I was in, I was out, boom. No, they say, here, I'm in, I'm out, here's why I got in, here's why I got out, here's actually my chart with the enter and the exit, boom, learn. That is amazingly helpful. It helped me so much. And then the other thing is they also talk about what they're looking at before they make trades. Now, they're not going to tell you, hey, I'm entering now, right? It's not a service like that, and I'm glad it's not. They actually say, hey, I'm looking at X, Y, and Z. Here's my plan. And they tell you their plan. And then 5 minutes later, they share the chart, and it actually is an execution of their plan. So they tell you and teach you how to think. It's huge. And then you can talk to individual traders one-on-one. They created a tab system where a trading accountability buddy, which I still have. I actually have a tab, and it helps me so much with my consistency. And I'm happy to say now I'm a consistently profitable trader as well, and I'm actually growing now, actually share size and so forth. Can't thank you guys enough at MIC. Y'all helped me out a ton. The only reason I'm not part of them, like I said, is because I wanted to try them. I wanted to do this on my own trading, and I just wanted to dip my toes in there and see what it was like. I watched every video they made in those 2 months because I'm just someone who's just a fiend when it comes to education. I'll watch everything, and there's things I like, things I didn't like, but overall there's so much material that it's gonna fit you in some way. So MIC, do I recommend them personally? I do. What I will say is, you know, you all experience a better service. I wish it would have been my first, but then again, if I did try them first, I wouldn't know the difference, right? I can compare them. And so I will say that, you know, they offer videos, video lessons, DVDs, all included with your monthly membership. The chat room is amazing, where you can share, everyone shares charts on certain chat rooms, and everyone can review them there. They have lessons on weekends where you can ask all the questions, and it doesn't matter if it's the same question, they will answer it. And they actually have contests on all the moderators who can answer the question the fastest, the best, and they save them. So let me tell you this, if you're a new trader, if you're an experienced trader, if you're someone who's still trying to get that consistency, reach out to them. They will take care of you, and I have no doubt. If you're liking this content, be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and share it with your colleagues, friends, whoever. It helps me a lot. I want to grow this channel and share as much as I can. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll get to you as soon as possible. And remember, I myself am finally consistent. It takes time. Work on your progress. Keep working your trades. And the biggest thing that's helped me, just to give you some feedback, is tracking every trade and your statistics and then eliminating the trades that don't work. You guys have a good day. Keep practicing, keep trading, don't give up. And like I said, MIC so far has been the best experience for me personally. And if you're wondering, the Flash is my favorite character. Good time.